proper push the brake. Oh my God, look at the, you see the smoke, guys. Oh my days, I need to show you guys this. Wow. Ah, boom. I don't know if you guys can hear the exhaust rumbling right now, but we are out here and guess what we're doing? We're doing another POV. You guys have seemed to be loving these POVs that I do way better than the feature videos that I do. So you know what? I'm gonna bring you guys what you want, and that's POV. But yeah, we're out here about to take the S3 again for a mad blast, yeah? This time it's in the countryside road. I don't know if you guys can see there. We'll have the Warburton sign right there. And oh my God, we're gonna be going that way. It's gonna be a madness. Let's get it. Boom! Here we go. Here we go. Actually, I forgot to do something. And that's to turn traction control off. Let's get it. Mate, those pop and bangs are insane. Boy, it's so bumpy, bouncy. Whee! Oh. Oi, 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 oi. Bro, this thing is flipping insane. It's like an animal, mate. See these roads, yeah? You have to concentrate. Oi. These EBC brakes are just coming in massive clutch. Oi, 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 oi. Bro, the brakes are just absolutely insanity. And the wheels as well, the wheel setup I have on this car, yeah, the tire setup is just ridiculously crazy as well. They pop some bangs as well, man. I've done something different for this POV actually. That's what I've actually done differently for this POV is put a mic behind the car to capture, oh my goodness, oh my God, to capture the sound of the exhaust, because someone in my last video said something about the audio of the exhaust. They can hardly hear the pops and bangs. So I decided to put the mic, behind the car to capture the exhaust sound. And I've got this one inside the car right now that I'm talking to you guys with, to capture inside the cabin, me talking. And I can sync both of them together. And then I can make either one louder. So I can make the exhaust louder or make me talking louder. Oh my days, why is... Bro, I'm telling you, if you guys live in Mountain Kings, yeah, and you have a little go-kart like an S3, yeah, that's been tuned or not tuned, it doesn't really matter. Or even have anything like a hot hatch. You're looking for roads and MK, yeah, to have fun on, yeah. Just come here, come to Warburton. Look at that, Warburton. It's so crazy. The car changed itself. Oh my goodness, why are you driving in the middle of the road? Oh my God, oh my good God. It gets real thin in this side of the road. Oh my God. I think that's the golf club over there. There's a golf club here as well. Wait, is that where I want to go? No, it's not where I want to go. On the left is the golf club, but we're not going there. Up here is the sand pit. Oh my gosh. Let me have the window down a little bit, I'm sweating. Oh, I'm smelling my brakes. So in the distance there, whoo, that there is a sand pit. Oh my God, you can see my brakes smoking. Let me get out of the car. Check this out, guys. Oh my gosh. Yo. Oh my God, that's the EBCs there for you, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They are literally crazy. Right, let's continue. We're going this way. I wanted to go to the one behind, but the road is closed, which is a bit annoying. That's fine. Oh my God, you guys hear those pops and bangs? That sounds insane, bro. Okay, oh my gosh, that was a big pothole there. Oh my good God. Is that how you drive, you absolute lunatic? Oh my goodness, my brakes are a little bit too hot, I feel like. Wow. Everything's going wrong right now. What's going on? I think maybe I need to just leave the car to cool down a little bit. Brakes are fading, which is a bit crazy. I've been trying to bed these brakes in for a bit now. Oh my gosh, it's dangerously. The brakes are dangerously not sharp at all, which is a bit crazy. Yellow stock brake pads, they're fading, they're not stopping very well. Regardless though, sounds absolutely insane. Wow. All right, let's turn around. Actually, let's check our left. Oh my days. Oh, I remember this section here. I actually did a video here. Did a flyby of a Ford Fiesta here actually, when I did one of my feature videos. Pretty cool video. If you guys want to go check that out, I'll leave it in the link in the description section below. My brakes are just my brakes are like overheated or something. It's just a bit crazy at the moment. Bro, the way this car grips is just insanely terrifying the way it grips. It grips so well. Especially the tires I've got on the car at the moment as well. Okay, the brakes are coming back to life now, which is good. Brakes are coming back to life. Can I get in here before he can? Yes, I can. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Guys, the brakes absolutely stink. But you know what? I'm bedding them in. The yellow stuff brake pads, so they need a lot of bedding in. But they're fading like crazy though. I don't understand why they're fading though. I'm having to like proper push the brake. Oh my God, look at it. You see the smoke, guys. Oh my days, I need to show you guys this. What? Why are they smoking so much? What? Why are they smoking so much? I don't get it. I really don't understand. What's the other side saying? These sides are smoking as well, but not as crazy as that side. Raw. I need to let the car cool down a little bit, maybe. I'm not sure. I'm ill as well, guys. I haven't ragged the car in such a long time. And these are brand new brake pads as well, so I think they're just doing their thing. Just trying to bed in or something. I don't really know what's going on, but either way, let's continue. This side of them, oh my gosh, Yeah, nah, this is way too dangerous, man. My brakes are just fading, bro. What the heck? Yeah, nah, my brakes are fading for some reason. I don't understand. I really don't understand. I'm having to press the brakes proper hard. Even like here, I'm having to press the brakes proper hard. Right. I don't know. This. Give me the power. Come on. Pop some bangs, man. Ridiculously insane. I kind of want to go down. This way is actually pretty cool. Golly. Oi! Oi, maybe this is why the road is closed. It is bumpy over here. Oh, there are cars coming through here, so is it? Oi! Oi! Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my god, it's a little bit too bumpy on this section of the road. God damn, I don't think I like this much. I want to turn around. I actually want to turn around. I'm a little bit scared. The road does not look good up there at all. That road looks absolutely chaotic. So let's not go that way. Let's go this way. Let's go back down this way. You're right there, sir. I don't know what he was doing. Don't know if he was trying to listen to the sound of the car or what, but yeah, we need to cool down the brakes. God damn. Flipping now, man. Okay, guys, if you're ever gonna come to Woburn to ride the car, don't go down that way, it's sketchy. Oh my days, I felt the car like, I felt the car literally fishtail, like it was joked. Because obviously the sand over there lost a little bit of traction, but you know what? We're good. The car is being a little bit funny today with the brakes, which is I really don't understand. But apart from that, the car's moving nice. She's moving nice. But I feel like though that we're lacking a little bit of power, need more power. I think we might have to get those power upgrades sooner than I think. Oi, oi, oi. I was complaining my brakes weren't good, but oh my god, it literally just saved me a little bit there. Woo. Wow. This thing is absolutely insane, bro. It's insane. The brakes is like coming and going. It's like I have to really press on the brakes, but you know what, it's cool. It says slow, but we ain't slowing, cuzzy. Okay, maybe we are. Ooh, it's getting really hot out here. Wow. This is insane. I love this road, man. Mate, this road is just ridiculously insane, bro. Wow. It pops some bangs as well. This car, I feel like this road really opens up the capability of this car. It's just so mad. Wow. The sound. Insane. Wow, I need to let the brakes cool down a little bit because we're having a little bit of a problem with the brakes right now. I don't know why. But yeah, man, that's been Woburn Sands. Absolutely insane, man. The roads here are just absolutely insanity. Obviously, you got the car. Look at the amount of brake dust in that. The brake dust is absolutely insane. Flipping out. It's smoking like an absolute bastard. Look at it. You guys, do you see what I'm seeing? The smoke is just insane right now, yeah, on this car. Both sides as well, bruv. Hopefully, I don't really know what the hell's going on, but it never smokes this bad. And the smell stinks as well. Let me check the brake fluid level. Brake fluid? Hold on, let me check. Yeah, brake fluid is full. Oh, you know what? That brake fluid is dirty, bruv. Need to do a brake fluid change, man. That's probably why. But it feels like we're fading. But I'm gonna let the brakes cool down, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, the car has been absolutely insane. I think this blue of the car is starting to it's getting darker. I don't really know, but yeah, man, that's the whip. There you have the video. Wow, these roads are absolutely insane. I've literally came back and parked up exactly where where we started the video from, because I'm literally going that way back home. If you guys have enjoyed the video, because I know for a fact you guys have, because the comments and the views have been saying you guys are enjoying the POV. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smack that like button, yeah? Also, share the video, comment down below and tell me if you want more POVs. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace!